This is Bullish Chips. Just wanted to give a quick Sunday night update. Had a chance to, relax after Friday's analysis and have a little bit of good time with my family and those that I care about this weekend. Came back this afternoon, this evening, and kind of looked at how things were playing out for the next week, just to kind of make sure the analysis of Friday was still on point. And I did want to just bring up a couple of points. We're still looking good midterm, long term, from like looking bullish midterm, long term. But we do need to acknowledge this week is a shortened trading week. The holiday, July 4th, Independence Day for U.S. citizens is next Friday, or this coming Friday. So we'll have one less trading day. Something to kind of keep in mind. If you have any options contracts expiring this week, it is a day earlier than normal, and short weeks sometimes do tend to be lean more towards the flat or red end of the spectrum. So just kind of keep that in mind. Not saying that it's going to be a red week, but things can kind of tend to not be as active to the upside on shortened trading weeks. The other thing that you want to keep in mind is that we have a lot of economic numbers being dropped this week. Monday, Chicago PMI, not that big of a mover, but Tuesday, Powell will be speaking. Whenever the Fed Chair Powell speaks, it's people are going to react, whether you do or not. It's up to you, but there is going to be some reaction there. On Tuesday, we've also got manufacturing PMIs, JOLTS job openings, construction spending, ISM manufacturing employment, and the Atlanta Fed GDP now. So keep your eyes open for those on Tuesday. Stay nimble, be able to go in either way. Wednesday, we've got ADP non-farm employment change. Thursday, we've got non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, initial jobless claims, private non-farm payrolls. We've got a lot going on Thursday. S&P Global Services PMI, factory orders, a whole lot of stuff being released on Thursday. Friday again is the holiday for the U.S. citizens, so won't be any trading, and doesn't look like there's any economic numbers being dropped on Friday either. But Thursday, really the whole week is going to be pretty active. So remember to stay nimble. We can make money either way. We don't get attached to being bullish or bearish. We just go where the money goes. We go where the orders go, and we try and capitalize on that. We had a good move this past week. It would make sense if we have sideways movement or even a pullback. We can, like we talked about on Friday, or in the last video, which was on Friday, we can still set higher lows out there, and still be in a bullish position midterm and long term. So just thought that it was important to get that little update out there for anybody who is following me or my analysis, because I will be taking those points that I've brought across today into account on Monday and throughout the week. May even trade a little bit lighter than normal, just depending on how things go. Luckily, a lot of economic numbers are released before the market opens, so you've got time to see how that's setting the market up. And if they're not released before the market opens, they're usually released pretty soon after the market's open. So it shouldn't be too hard to sit on your hands at the beginning of the market every day, to wait to let things kind of show you where to go. No need in burning any quick trades, getting in going the wrong way on some super short time frame before the market even has its chance to decide which way it's going to go, or with how much momentum it's going to go in that direction. So just keep those things in mind about this week, and happy trading. Thanks for watching Bullish Chips.